Hey everybody, Drew here, and today we're working on a 2009 Toyota Matrix with 2.4 liter. This is all-wheel drive, and it's just a serpentine belt, but my goodness gracious, it was virtually impossible. So I just want to show you guys what I did to make this work. So first and foremost, I used a 1/2-inch drive impact socket on this Harbor Freight. Link will be in the description. It's a two-piece, so there's an arm that's going horizontal parallel with the ground, and then one that's vertical. So the bar down there is a 1/2-inch drive to a 3/8 drive. You can see right there. And again, I have an impact socket on it. It's a little deeper than standard, but not necessarily a deep socket. And the trick here is you'll never get the belt over the alternator pulley. So what I did was I took it off of the idler, which is right there. So first of all, you need the wheel off the car, and there's two 10mm bolts that hold on this shield. Okay, the new belts are obviously stiff. I will also post, at the end of the video, I'll show you guys the serpentine pattern here. But the big thing is this: you're gonna put it on the alternator with it tipped off of the idler, which again is right there. That's what moves with your wrench here. And then you're going to go from under here, of course being extremely careful. You're going to get right up in there and pop it back on. Let's see if I can show you it from the bottom. There it is from the bottom. All you're going to do is, instead of making the alternator pulley your last part here, because you'll never get it past the rib, put it on the alternator first and then slide it on the idler pulley. Now the way that I did this by myself, because I work alone every day here, is I just used a piece of, this is 14 gauge house wire. I keep a lot of that around to hang brake calipers and things like that from the suspension when I'm doing a brake job. I just use this and then some pliers to twist it tight to hold my handle for me. And when I release that, the belt is back on the car, totally alone, and after not too many cuts and bruises. So hopefully this video is helpful. If it is, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We try to keep it a little cleaner than this, but this was a nasty job, and I'm hoping this video helped you guys. Thanks.